Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. For today I prepared the second part of my temperature project. My super cute and super fun temperature snake, you see, and this is the second part. I already finished 30 days. I started in the middle of December and this is the middle of January. In the first part we talked about how to create the temperature scale. I have a temperature scale with the 0 and then plus minus 3 degrees. I use Celsius degrees in my scale, and how to choose the colors, which yarn is fine for your snake, and how to make a beginning, the head. And this is it. I just finished 30 rows and this is my last row, and you see I have to change the color. And it was one of your questions how to change the color. It's super easy. You just don't finish the single crochet. You have 2 loops on your hook like this, and you grab a new yarn and pull this new yarn through the current yarns through 2 loops on your hook. Then pull the previous yarn you used a bit tighter like this, and you can very easily continue crocheting 1 single crochet in each stitch around till you reach the end of your round. This is it. So I'm using a new yarn, new color, and I will make 1 more row. And you can fix the other colors inside. So when you change the color, you can very easily fix the other colors which are inside. So I don't cut the yarns, and I use them. They are inside in my snake's body, and I work in spiral rows. You ask me if it's better to close each round with a slip stitch or to continue in a spiral row, to work in spiral rows. So I prefer working in spiral rows. I know that you always will see when you change the color there will be like a small stir, but I think it's absolutely fine, and it's a temperature project, so everyone expect the colors changing. And this is how I fixed, you see, yarns inside of the snake body. Okay, so I work in spiral rows, and I don't close the row with a slip stitch. So this is it. So now you know how to change the color, how you can easily continue working in spiral rows. And this is my snake after 30 days. I started in middle December and finish in the middle of January. So let me show you my temperature scale. I have to complete the month, so December and January, and the boxes on my project sheet. So now it's perfect. I started, I don't know about your weather, but in Europe, in Central Europe, it was a heavy snowing and a really cold winter time. But then suddenly we have like a spring. We have temperatures about 13, 14, 15 15 degrees, and we had spring temperatures at the beginning of the January till the middle of January. So we will see how the weather will be in the second part of January and in February. So I just finished 30 rows, and I think it's time to measure the snake. And this was the question: how long the snake will be. So you can very easily measure your snake after 1 month. I have 10 centimeters, 4 inches, so the length will be this length times 12. So you should have 120 centimeters or 47 inches plus the head and plus the end. So definitely the snake will be really long, 120 centimeters or 47 inches. Or of course it depends on the tension on the yarn you use and the crochet hook, but mine will be so long. And you also ask what is the right time to fill the body. I think you can very easily put the stuff inside into the body every month. I would recommend you to stuff it less than more, because the snake should be very flexible and stretchy, and I expect that your kids will play with this snake, so I would recommend you not to have it so tough. You also asked me if I crochet every day. No, I crochet, let's say, once per week, but I mark a temperature every day, and usually on Sunday I crochet last 7 days or last 7 rows. You also ask me how to store the yarns. So I have a plastic box where I put the yarn which I already prepared, I bought, and on the top I put the yarn I'm using. So you see I'm currently using 7 balls. So I put them on the top and pack the project sheet, your temperature scale and the crochet hook. One more recommendation: when you finish the row, when you crocheted a row, marked it on your project sheet. So you can mark the temperature every day, but when you finish the row, when you crocheted the row, mark it as well. And this is it. In case of any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment in the box below this video, or visit my Facebook page, Instagram and Pinterest. I'm always there and happy to help, and I will be really happy if you will share your snakes with us as well. So take care, wish you happy crocheting, and bye for now. Bye bye.